Phanessa here. In this month's stitch tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how to crochet the Harlequin stitch with worsted weight yarn and a USH 5mm crochet hook. Alright, let's get started. Okay, starting with a foundation chain of 22 stitches, we're going to work into the 5th chain from the hook. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the 5th chain from the hook, we're going to work 3 double crochets, chain 1, and 3 double crochets. So yarn over into that 5th stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. That's 1. We're going to work 2 more double crochets into the same stitch. That's 2. And the 3rd double crochet into the same chain stitch. Now we're going to chain 1, and then into the same stitch we're going to work another 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Skip 3 into the next stitch. We're going to work 1 single crochet. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. So our repeat is skip 3, and then we work another set of this, skip 3, and then 1 single crochet. So we're skipping 3 stitches into the 4th chain. We're going to work 3 double crochets, chain 1, and 3 double crochets. One, 2, and 3. Chain 1, and then 3 more double crochets into that same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Skip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3 into the 4th, 1 single crochet. So repeat that all the way across. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochets, chain 1, and 3 double crochets. All into the same chain stitch. So that's 2, 3, chain 1, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3 into the last stitch, 1 single crochet. Row 2, I'm going to chain 3 and turn. The chain 3 counts as your double crochet stitch. In the first set of 3 double crochets in this set of shell stitch, we're going to work a decrease. So over the next 3 double crochets, we're going to work a double crochet 3 together. Yarn over, insert your hook into the first double crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So without completing the double crochet, we're going to yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. Now with 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 4. Okay, so we're going to work just like we did the double crochet 3 together here. We're going to work a double crochet 6 together. So skipping the chain 1 here in between these 3 double crochets from the last row, we're going straight into these 3, skipping the single crochet down here and working these 3. Okay, yarn over into the first double crochet stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. So we're going to start carrying the last stitch of every double crochet on our hook until we have 7 loops. Yarn over into the next double crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, next stitch, yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. We're going to skip this single crochet and work these 3 stitches here. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now we have 7 loops. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 7. Again, repeat starts at chain 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I just have 2 more of these sets here, double crochet 6 together. Again, we're skipping the chain 1 here and working over the 6 double crochets. We're also skipping the single crochet here. That's 3 on this side. We're skipping this single crochet, moving over to the other 3 double crochets. That's 1, 2, and 3. Pull through all 7 loops. Okay, we're going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now instead of working another double crochet 6 together, we're working the double crochet 3 together like we did at the beginning of the row. So skip the chain 1 into the next 3 double crochets, work a double crochet 3 together. Okay, so there's my 3. And now I'm going to work 1 double crochet into the turning chain. Okay, that's row 2. Row 3, chain 3 and turn. So this was our double crochet 3 together. On top of that decrease, we're going to work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so right here where we skipped the chain 1, we're going to work a single crochet into that chain 1 space from 2 rows below. Okay, so we're going to insert our hook in that chain 1 space. Make sure we catch this chain 7, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. So we've worked into the chain 1 space, making sure that we catch that chain 7 from the last row. Into the decrease in this section right here, this was the double crochet 6 together, we're going to work 3 double crochets, chain 1, and 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. So again, we're going to work 1 single crochet into the chain 1 from 2 rows below. Make sure you catch this strand here, the chain 7. Insert your hook into that chain 1 space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, the next decrease here, we're going to work our same set of shells, 3 double crochets, chain 1, and 3 double crochets. So you're going to repeat that all the way across. Chain 1 and 3 double crochets. One double crochet into the chain 1 space from 2 rows below. Now I'm at the end. I'm just going to work 3 double crochets into this last decrease. One, two, and three. I'm going to work one double crochet into the turning chain from our last row. Row 4, chain 4 and turn. 2, 3, 4. So now we're going to start with a double crochet 6 together. So these 3, skipping the single crochet, and these 3, just like you did before. So you want to work through all 6 of these double crochets, skipping this one here. And then you want to make sure you end with 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 7. Chain 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that's the repeat. You're just going to work a decrease and chain 7. So I'm going to skip this chain 1 and start into the next double crochet. Okay, after your last decrease, you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And into the turning chain, we're going to work 1 single crochet. Row 5, chain 1 and turn. So starting in this decrease here, we're going to work 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 double crochets. Okay, so now we're going to work 1 single crochet into this chain 1 space from 2 rows below, catching this chain 7 stitch here. Okay, in this decrease, we're going to work another set of 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 double crochets. Oops. One double crochet into the chain 1 from 2 rows below, catching the chain 7 stitch. And then you repeat that until you are at the end. I have one more set of 3 double crochets, chain 1 and 3 double crochets. Okay, so we're going to work 1 double crochet into the top of this turning chain. It was a chain 4 from your last row. Okay, so you're going to repeat rows 2 through 5 once and then finish off with row 2. So I've completed row 5. I'm going to modify row 2 and close the top here. So I'm going to chain 3. This is a double crochet. It counts as a double crochet. So right here in the first 3 stitches we will work our decrease. So double crochet 3 together, just like we did in row 2. Now the difference here is instead of chaining 7, I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to work 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space. Now I'm going to chain 3 and then work my decrease over the next 6 double crochets. This way you don't have that chain 7 going across the top of your work. So that's the only modification that I did to make sure that it's more solid on the top part. Okay, so chain 3, 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 3, and then your double crochet 6 together. So repeat that all the way across to the end. Okay, so I'm at the end, chain 3, 1 single crochet into the last chain 1 space, and then I'm going to work a double crochet 3 together. Okay, we're going to end with a double crochet in the turning chain. So now you can fasten off. Just yarn over and pull through. So now you can block this to a 6 by 6 square.